Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Binance desktop app. First, you'll want to download the official Binance desktop application directly from their website. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation and then log in using your existing Binance account details. If you're new, you'll need to create an account. Remember to complete your identity verification, often called KYC, to unlock all trading features and benefit from higher withdrawal and deposit limits, ensuring a smooth experience from the start. Once logged in, you'll see the intuitive interface. The main dashboard gives you a quick glance at your portfolio's performance and real-time market data. On the left-hand side, a convenient menu allows you to navigate effortlessly between different services, including spot trading, futures, and even staking opportunities. You can also personalize your workspace by adding or removing widgets, tailoring the layout to suit your specific trading preferences and information needs, making it truly yours. Now let's talk about placing a trade. First, select your preferred trading pair, for example, Bitcoin versus Tether, from the comprehensive market list. Next, decide on your order type. A limit order allows you to set a specific price, a market order executes immediately at the best available price, and a stop limit order combines elements of both. Finally, enter the exact amount you wish to trade and confirm your order to complete the transaction. Security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification, to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Regularly review your transaction history to keep track of all your activities and manage your various wallet balances efficiently. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, remember you can easily contact customer support directly through the application, ensuring you always have assistance readily available when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.